Hello and welcome to my channel Potential Unlimited. I am Aarti Tuteja. Today we will talk about self-hypnosis. Mind is your business, as Sadhguru would say it, and how rightly he has put it that our mind is our business. So how to use your mind that works for you and not decide or design by what program it has you have got from your upbringing. So how to change things that are not working for you. Now let's say, for example, if you are sick, you go to the doctor and takes experts help and medication and so on, but otherwise you take care of yourself by eating well, sleeping well, exercising and doing things that that makes your physical body more healthy, isn't it? Now this is how hypnotherapy and self-hypnosis really works. So hypnotherapy is used when you have issues that are really interfering in your life. They are really creating havoc, like say panic attack or severe anxiety, smoking or a lot of weight, many other things like that in that order, and you want to get rid of it. So you work with a hypnotherapist and get rid of it. But how do you take care of your mind, your self development goals or self transformation goals all by yourself? Well, you have this something called self hypnosis that you can learn and use it for your self development. So how does it really work? Well, it simply works by learning it, as it's an art and it's a skill as well. So if you learn to self hypnotize, you can easily do whatever you would like to do in terms of your personal development goals. So what is self hypnosis? Self hypnosis is allowing yourself and your mind to go to a certain level of hypnosis and allowing your subconscious and conscious mind to do some talking to each other so that you can achieve the goal that you want to achieve. Isn't it wonderful? So this is how you regularly talk to your subconscious mind about whatever the goals you want to achieve, because as I have always talked about, that it's our subconscious mind that holds the key to who we are. Our thoughts, emotions, belief, habits, all of that is programmed, and self hypnosis is a way to change that when they are not working for you. So suppose you have say 5-6 goals that you want to achieve. You may choose to work with a coach and a hypnotherapist, but you can also learn self hypnosis and take the lead for your self transformation. So learning self-hypnosis is really easy. Once you work with an expert who is a hypnotherapist, the hypnotherapist can set certain anchors and so that you can be in hypnosis for a certain period of time. So there is a method to this madness. You are taught how to hypnotize yourself, how with certain anchors, how to be in hypnosis for a certain period of time, and how to immerse yourself out of it. Now self hypnosis is not just like, it's not like half an hour process. It's anything between 5 to 10 minutes. You can even do it anytime, either in the office, at work, or while you are waiting somewhere. You can, or at the airport or any other place you are waiting, and you can use this as a method to change something within yourself. But it's not just you do it without any goals. You definitely have a goal that you want to achieve, and you regularly, daily self hypnotize yourself for a week for one particular goal, and you see that the changes will happen. So this is how it works. You set the goal, you put yourself in self hypnosis, and allow your mind to do whatever that needs to be done. You don't have to do anything while you are in hypnosis, because these things have already been set by your hypnotherapist. After 5 to 10 minutes, you immerse yourself out, because our subconscious also understand when to emerge, and you can easily learn that. So this is how it really goes about, and within say 3 to 4 months you would have achieved all your different goals in your life. Isn't it really wonderful? Now other than achieving your goals, there are other benefits that you get from self hypnosis, that it works in your on your nervous system. So it relaxes not only just the body and the muscles, but it also relaxes your nervous system, which helps not only flushing out the toxin, but also improves your immunity. Isn't it wonderful? I mean, you can do so many things out of just learning in one session self-hypnosis. So I wish you all the best on your journey of self-development.